Hey fellow beaters, it's JP and I've got a quick little tutorial for you. It's the Double X earrings. So if you recall, or if you haven't seen, I've got a bracelet tutorial that I just did. It's already up, so it's been done, it's there. Look for it, it's called the Double X Bracelet, and this was the two different color combinations that I had come up with. So in the tutorial I show you how to make this bracelet. Here in this video I went ahead and showed you how to do the earrings in this different other colorway. So just to kind of show you just the two different things. Now as far as beads go, in the earrings here I've used a fire polish and a bicone. So they're 4mm and then I've used 11. So that's essentially all you need. And you can do any combination. So down here in the bracelet here, I did a fire polish and a pearl. You could use another type of round like a druck. You can change them up. What's important is the 4mm size because it's set for that particular size. But otherwise, you can combine anything. So you can combine, like here, you can do the pearl and the bicone. You can just do, you could just do two bicones in different colors. You could do pearls or rounds. You could do the two fire, probably not this combination, but you could do two fire polish and so forth. So any combination with some 11s and you've got yourself a bracelet and some earrings. So all the information and all the colors and where I bought the beads, all of that information is below the video. It's in the description box, so just click below. You'll see it all. I have links to the stores, online stores where I purchased these beads. I don't make any money off of that. It's just to make it easier for you to find if you happen to want to do the colors that I did. That's the only reason that I have all the links. Anyway, let's get started. Alright, so to start, what you're going to do is start with the fire polish, then pick up an 11, a bicone, and an 11, and then you're just repeating that pattern 3 more times. So you should end up with a total of 4 fire polish, 4 bicones, and 8 11s. And then I'm just going to bring this to the end of my thread here, and you want to just tie a knot. And I'm just tying a square knot. Pretty basic. Just like that. I have a little bit of tail thread to weave in. And what you want to do is just go through the fire polish and you want to come out of a next fire polish. This will pull the knot into the beads and kind of get it out of the way. So this is what you should have, and then pick up 5 11s and go back around the same fire polish. So there's my 5. And I'm just going to go back around that, and then I want to come out of the next fire polish. So there's that first step. And I'm just going until I get to the next one. And again, I'm going to repeat the pattern, or repeat what I just did rather. So I'm going to pick up 5 and go back through that fire polish. And I'm keeping the tension tight. I want these loops to be nice and snug, no thread showing. And then I'm continuing into the next fire polish. So as we're going, we're also reinforcing our circle here. And again, I'm picking up 5 and going back through, and then continuing forward. And once again, I'm going to pick up 5. There it is, my 5. Go back through. So there's the piece, and here's what you should have at this point. So that's what it's going to look like. And Now what you're going to do is, I'm just going to show you here. You want to come out of the middle 11. Just like that. And then you're going to connect all of the middle 11s together. So you want to just make sure you're kind of getting that one that's directly in the middle. So you're not adding any beads. Just going to bring these together. And then again, I'm going to repeat, bring the next one here. And the last one. And now just connect them all together. And then just go back through the beads a few times just to strengthen or reinforce rather. So you just want to tighten that up and reinforce. So I'm almost back to the start. Okay, there it is. And then I'm going to, so I'm coming out of this 11, I'm just going to go up the two beads, two 11s that are right next to it. And if you did it snug, you might have a little bit of difficulty just kind of finding the hole, but there should still be plenty of room. This isn't an issue of there being too much thread. And then I'm going to come out of my fire polish. I'm going to pick up a bicone and then 3 11s and a bicone. Go back around just the fire polish. And then go up the bicone and come out of the middle 11. Pick up 4 11s, so we're going to make the loop for the ear wire, so this requires 4. And just go back through that middle 11. Now go through the first 11. Pick up an 11 and go into the next 11. And repeat. One more time, pick up an 11, go into the next 11, and then back, like this. So that should give you your diamond pattern, and then go ahead and reinforce. I'm just going to turn it so I can get through the 2 beads at a time there. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is go back around these and reinforce my bicones and my fire polish here. So I just turned the work so I can go upward. That's all. Um, So you can reinforce that however many times you like, but I feel like it's nice and solid, so now I'm just going to tie some half-inch knots. So I'm going to do one right in front of the fire polish here. And then repeat. So I'm probably going to tie a total of 3. Do one more here. And the last one in front of my fire polish here. And just weave the thread away now. Alright, so I've woven away the threads and here is the pair of earrings. I hope you've liked this tutorial. It was just a quick and easy one. And don't forget, I have the tutorial for the bracelet. This is the Double X bracelet. These are the Double X earrings. I did the tutorial in this color. I would have done earrings in this color, except I ran out of these tanzanite fire polish beads, so which is why I went with the other color. But anyway, they're just a quick and fun little combination thing you can do. And if you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe. Thanks. I'll see you next time.